If you've ever wondered how to check your x.com or Twitter viewing history, this video is for you. In this quick guide, I'll show you the official method X provides, so you can understand what you viewed by requesting your account data archive. This is the safest and most accurate way to do it because X does not offer a simple public viewing history page inside the app. So if you want to see that information, the archive is the way to go. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you up to date with the latest step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open X in your browser and log into the account you want to check. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand sidebar. You should see the main navigation menu there. Now click on More, which is the icon with the 3 dots. This opens a menu with extra account options. From that menu, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the account, privacy, and security controls. Once the settings page opens, look for your account at the top of the list and select it. Inside this section, you'll find the tools related to your personal data. Next, click Download an archive of your data. This is the official option that lets you request a complete copy of the information associated with your account. X will usually ask you to confirm your identity before it gives you access to the archive request. That may mean re-entering your password, verifying through email, or entering a security code depending on your account settings. Go ahead and complete whichever verification prompt appears on your screen. This step is important because it protects your account and makes sure only you can request the archive. Once verification is finished, you'll see the Request Archive button. Click that blue button to submit your request. After that, X will begin preparing your data archive. Depending on your account activity, this can take some time. In some cases, it may be ready fairly quickly, while in others, it may take longer before the download becomes available. When the archive is ready, X will notify you so you can download the file and review the contents. Now, one important thing to understand is that if you're specifically looking for a true video-by-video or post-by-post viewing history, X does not make that easy to access in a simple timeline inside the app. The archive is the official way to look for stored account information and activity details, so that's why this method matters. Once you download the archive, you can open it and search through the files for the data you need. Take your time reviewing it carefully, because the archive may include a lot of different account information. If your goal is to understand your usage history or find activity-related data, this is the best place to start. And that's it. You now know how to check your x.com or Twitter viewing history using the official data archive method. It's simple, safe, and completely built into X's own account settings. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more X and Twitter tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.